What's up, Anthony? It's Devin, and in this video today I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do to help bring in more customers to your business. So you're probably wondering why I do this and what's in it for me. Well, I found that today in the world of the internet, a lot of local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company, and sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring somebody to do it for them is that they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by giving people this easy free attack plan of things they can do today to help their business has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to do it for them. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks on my sleeve to help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you want to take this free attack plan I gave to you to do yourself, that's cool. That works for me too. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. And I'm going to talk about 3 things today. So content. Content is pretty much the words and pictures you have on your page. So I want to start by saying I like the pictures you have. I like these before and after pictures. It shows what you do. But what Google cares most about is content and your word count. So Google typically likes to see a home page with 1,500 to 2,000 words. So I'm going to copy all the words on your page and paste them into this word counter here. And see, you have about 236 words. So if you got that number to 1,500 to 2,000 words, that would definitely help with the optimization process. So now I'm gonna copy all these and remove it. And I'm gonna go to one of your competitors and see how much they have. So they have about 1,000 words. So they're still under that mark too. So you could definitely beat them in that aspect. But one other thing that goes along with content is keywords. So a keyword is anything that somebody might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So for example, carpet cleaning Chatsworth, that would be a good keyword that you can include into your website on the home page and the other pages. So when people search for it, your website will come up. So the next thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You do not have to use it. There's lots of other free ones. This basically helps analyze backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via a clickable text. So basically another website that has a link that goes back to your website that helps drive traffic back to your website. So Google is kind of like a popularity contest, and the person with the most backlinks is more popular, and it helps them rank that way. So I'll take a look at, so right here you have referring domains, is also known as backlinks. You have 0 backlinks, so 0 websites linking back to you, and your competitor has 289 websites linking back to them. So, and what you could do is copy these same ones and post your link in them also, and that's a great way to, and then add more, which will definitely help you rank above them. So, and also one thing about these backlinks is that they're not all created equal. So here, let's just go in them and take a look real quick. So yeah, so what you could do is click into all of these and submit submit the link to your website, and then you could just add more. So now we'll go back to overview, and the next thing we're gonna talk about is citations. So citation is anywhere where your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And by that, I mean right here. So being up here is very important because that's where the majority of clicks happen, especially in this top one. That's where you want to be. So these citations are placed in directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and others you may have heard of. There are thousands of these all over the place. Lots of them you can list your business in. These are what help you rank up here in the map pack, and the more you have, the better. So the idea is pretty much to just get as many as you can out there, so if you get up here, you'll get a lot of clicks. So basically, to wrap this up, we talked about content, so having 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, keywords and backlinks. So just copying these backlinks and adding more will help you rank. And also citations. You want to have, I think that's where you can have the most success, is trying to get up here, adding a lot of citations to your website, setting up that map pack, and getting it ranking, because you can get a lot of clicks that way. And so you want to have about 200 to 300 more than your competitors, just to kind of solidify your top ranking. So if you use these strategies today and implement them in your business, you can definitely rank #1 across all Google. So with this, you can use this information I provided to you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. Or you could take the most effective route and save yourself the time and give me a call at 805-750-7008. Once again, my name is Devin, and my number is 805-750-7008. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.